College สีมหา Bondi Leaf Collecting Ceremony on February 24th of every year วันมาฆบูชา Day for use in the Sali wooden procession tradition. Starting ceremony, procession of 5 bulls, people whose names are auspicious, together with Mr. บุญเทินสอนนา Mrs. บุญมาพรหมวิหาร Miss ศรีไพจันทิดา Mr. บุญปันล่าป่าตัน Mr. อุดมบุญประมุก and last but not least Mr. สมบูรณ์ติ๊บลำเอี้ยง The orders of placing the 5 bowls. First, a pan of rice, a clamshell bowl, a flower tray, a tray with 5 candles, an incense tray, a candle tray, a bento nut tray, and last but not least, bento leaf. Leading the 5-bowl parade. By พระประหลัดนรงค์อานันโท Abbot of วัดศรีมณีวัน Walk to the ศรีมหา Bondi tree with faith. Mr. กิตติคุณยศบันเทิง hosted a live broadcast throughout the ceremony. The parade ended with a long drum. Arranged the procession of the 5 bulls at the Simaha Bondi tree. Dance offering to the Simaha Bondi tree. By Mr. ณภัทร ดีสากล Nickname จันเจ้า Say the precept to the monks. People whose names are synonyms with Simaniwan Temple prepare for the ceremony. Prepare to ask for forgiveness from the Simaha Bondi tree. Raise the tray of 5 bowls and offer them to the Simaha Bondi tree. อุจาร Mr. บุญผัดเมืองมา Say the words สุมาขันธ์ห้าโกธา Every time we transgress to Buddha, Dhamma, and Sangha, พระธาตุเจดีย์ต้นสีมหาโพธิ์ The monks will light the 5 candles. People with names similar to Simaniwan Temple will collect the Bondi leaves for good fortune. Like the 4 elements, earth, water, wind, and fire. Together with Mr. นิยมล่าสุภา Nickname วัดMiss ศรีไพจันทิดา Mr. มณีช่วยเหมย Mr. วันคำอ้าย The Bondi leaf collectors will receive the holy water from the monks. Monks will chant auspicious chants throughout the ceremony. We've received cooperation cable car from Majoral Subdistrict Municipality by Mr. นัชพล วิเชียรโรจน์ who participated in cutting the Bondi leaves. The monks sprinkle holy water from the participants in the ceremony. offering Bondi leaves to the monks. The participants will do a traditional dance offerings to the Sea Maha Bonsai trees 3 times. Steps for boiling the bonsai leaves. Use a clean tin that has been boiled through hot water for several times. Next, we'll pour in 1/4 of water in the tin. Striped soap or acid soap, 4 bars. We'll cut it into small pieces so it can dissolve easily. Add 4 cups of bleach solution. When the water is boiling, add the bonsai leaves. Add in about 10 to 15 leaves. While the water is boiling, use a wooden press to press down on the bonsai leaves so that it wouldn't float above the water. It takes about 15 minutes to boil. The ways we can check if it is finished or not is the stem of the bonsai tree will detach from the leaf. After that, scoop into the first basin, which is filled with cold water. Use your fingertips to gently rub and rub all over the bonsai tree. The second basin is filled with clean water, which is in room temperature. Use your fingertips to gently rub and rub all over the bonsai leaves again. Rub the fibers of the bonsai leaves as much as possible. When the fiber has been removed from the bonsai leaf, basin in clean water, which is in room temperature. Mix in 4 cups of bleach solution. Soak it in bleach solution for about 15 minutes. Put the bonsai leaves up to dry. Then iron it using medium heat. Put the bonsai leaves on a coated plate into the hot plate ironing machine. Cut the plastic about a half centimeters from the leaf frame. Beautifully decorated. Take it for monastic ceremonies for good fortune and sold to tourists in the traditional procession of my Kamsali poles, April 16th of every year, including it can be sold to people of faith. The community is the production department. The temple is a source of distribution. It is working together as one of the Majoral Subdistrict Community, Maramat District, Tak Province, Tak Community College. Thanks for watching.